So how do you pass GCSE and A-level art? Explained as simply as possible. So first of all, you need to understand what the assessment objectives are and what they're trying to get you to do, and then you need to make sure you hit each objective. Number two, you need to hit internal and personal deadlines. They're there for a reason. Either your teacher or yourself have set them, so stick to it and avoid a horrendous pile-up at the end of the course. Number three, create as much good quality work as possible. Not rushed work, but quality work. Trust me when I tell you, it doesn't matter whether you're qualified or unqualified, you can tell when a piece has been rushed or when a person has not put their full effort into it. Number four, ask the right questions to the right people. By now your teacher probably would have explained that it's them that mark your work. External moderator simply comes in to check they've marked it correctly. So ask them questions such as, what can I do to improve my grade? Or which assessment objective am I not achieving the best in? Or even, what should I focus on with the time that I have left? Okay, those are questions that we can answer best because it's the same ones that we ask ourselves when we're planning your lessons and thinking about how we can help you. Now in future videos I'll be going a bit deeper into assessment objectives, time management and quality versus quantity. But for now, thank you for listening, and hopefully this will help you to take the actions needed to ensure that you pass and hopefully even excel in Art GCSE and A-level.